My name is Onar Avara. I am the Managing Director of All Done Design and Build Limited. We started All Done Design and Build in 2001 in Muswell Hill. Since then, the company had All Done Design as an architectural firm and All Done Maintenance for the small maintenance works. Currently we are trading as All Done Group as one-stop shop for the building work for commercial and residential properties. What made us start is that we have seen the potential in the market and realized that conventional way of approaching to the projects are not always the solution. So being unconventional and original and having a unique approach and knowing the suppliers and knowing the products and knowing the trade put us in a different position and always one step ahead of our competitors.
At All Done Design and Build, we really are a 360-degree solution. We have our own team of staff which covers everything from plumbers, electricians, carpenters, roofers, you name it. We work with them here.
We do have accreditations, and the most important one is the ISO 9001, which is a quality assurance system which we implemented 8 years ago in terms of giving the best service to our clients. And all accreditations we hold under one roof, so that makes us in the industry as one-stop shop.
At All Done Design and Build, we are highly skilled in retail and commercial projects, and we offer management services for a range of projects from very small refurbishments or fit-outs to kitchen reorganisations, seating replanning, to medium-sized office reorganisations, or to the larger scale commercial new build.
With our clients, when they come to All Done Design and Build, what they can expect is to have a dedicated contracts manager that is working with their site manager to achieve what they want in terms of their budget spend, in terms of the quality and in terms of the duration.
Our aim is to exceed customers' expectations rather than just meet them. So from the very initial meeting, when we often meet the client on site and look at potential plans, maybe walk through the project, we provide a one-stop shop for the client. So rather than having to deal with multiple tradespeople and make hundreds of phone calls during the length of the project, the client knows that they only have one person that they really need to deal with.
We thought about separately having an architect to do the design. It needed planning permission, and then separately getting somebody to price it. All Done offered us, the design and build service with a project manager to take it through from start to completion.
Well, just overall, I would say that All Done have provided us a very friendly and communicative service. They're always very responsive. The way that the setup they have with obviously office managers, but project manager, and then a series of skilled people working in their appropriate trade. So that combination seems to work very well. I would say they're a local and friendly firm, very well organised, who provide a really quite a comprehensive service, and that's very useful.
Workers and administrative staff have always been professional, courteous and reliable, and have always worked well to deadlines. This job met our expectations, and all the other jobs we've had with All Done Design have met our expectations as well.
They were all really, really courteous and caring about what we were doing, sensitive to the fact that we were still living in the house while the job was being done, which was difficult. We had a weekly site meeting, so we knew what to expect every week, and they kept us informed. One of the other reasons for picking All Done was, with a couple of companies, we got a couple of prices, but they only came here. We saw one person. You know, we didn't know what was behind them. With All Done, we went up to the offices in Muswell Hill. We saw Honor, who I'd met previously. You know, we could see it was a company with a presence, with an office, with a team, and that was important. Knowing that there was a presence, an office that you could go, you could touch and feel and see. It wasn't, you know, a massive national company. It was one with a client base. We went to see some other clients that they'd done some work for a couple of miles away. That also gave us, you know, confidence about the company and customers that have worked with All Done. So again, that was an important factor in choosing All Done.
We have a good reputation within the neighbourhood. We have a good reputation in North London. We get good client referrals, and that beats all marketing.
I would like to invite our potential clients to arrange a free consultancy with our contracts managers to talk about their projects.